Today, I'm going to be showing you my duck collection and my chickens. And a special guest that will be at the end. Okay, let's go. We got my golden duck. Yeah, pretty golden. And we got a diamond squishy duck. I don't have any other squishy ducks though. Look at his little floppy legs. Next, we have a pumpkin duck. Yeah, I got some new ones today. They're in different categories. Those were the shiny ones. And this one right now, we're doing the Halloween one. This is a zombie one. Got his brains out. Ripped out on the sides. Okay, now we got a Pennywise one. This one isn't really squishy, it's like more hard. Got its hair. Next, we got Frankenstein. Like you can see the stitches. Ah, dang it. Stitches, stitches, stitches. Then we got a witch for stars. Still got the tag because I'm too lazy to take it off. Even got a little war witch. This one actually looks like a witch. Not just a purple one, but with like all the stuff. Pretty cool hat. This one has a pretty cool hat too. Okay. Next we have my Shrek and Night one. Got a Shrek one. I know it doesn't look like Shrek, but I pretend it is because the only one I have. And then I have a Night one. Turn that bad boy around. She got the weapon. Got a weapon. Yep. Okay. Look, here's my Christmas ones. I got a Santa duck. Too bad it doesn't have a beard. It would look cool with a beard. Then we got an elf one. Okay. Then we got a Yeti. A snow Yeti duck. I want to get a Bigfoot duck, but I don't know where to find them. Now we just have these ones that don't really fit into other categories, really. So we got a bald eagle. I think that's an eagle. Hold up. The bald eagle. I asked my dad. Then we have a BFF. BFF, that means stands for friend. Super friend, I guess. A cat duck. There was another cat duck, but I didn't feel like getting it because I got some newer ones. Then we got my summary-ish. We got this one, flamingo, one that has flowers. Then we got a lifeguard. Then I don't know what you would call this one, but then we got a surfer, surfer. Then we got some dragons. We got an earth dragon. We got an ice dragon. We got a fire dragon. He is fire. Then we got 2024. Says you did it. 2025. I want to get a 2026. I don't know where they are. So, then we got basketball, baseball. I really don't watch baseball. And a soccer. FIFA World Cup. Then we got some baby chickens. These are chickens, not ducks. So we got a purple one, a pink one, a green one, then a blue one. Okay. Now it's down to some of my new ones. I got a Solly, a Buzz, right here. Pretty decked out, you know. solid. It just has these spikes on its back. Oh yeah, we got the alien, the claw from planet. Wait, is it Pizza Planet? Pizza Planet. Then we have what's his name? He's from Toy Story 3. The bad guy, the bear. I can't remember his name. So no, I can't remember his name. Lotso. I just remembered it's Lotso. Then of course we got Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Then we got a little baby stuffy duck. Okay. Now, time for a cool one. Our big ones. This one are new. All of these ones are new, okay? This one is new. I got this one. It's a big Squidward duck. Pretty cool, you know? And for some reason, I don't have a normal duck, like your typical yellow duck, like. So I got this one. These ones don't count because they have designs like a typical duck. So I got a big one. You didn't have no small ones, so you can check that out. $5. What's on this? Scan the Euro code. Ouch, 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 ouch. Something's scratching me. Something's pinching me. Okay. Yep. Now we got a chicken. You can listen to the sound. Rockstar chicken. Using that, rocking that sick mohawk, like. Okay. Now, it's the dragon one. The dragon chicken. The dragon chicken. Check it out. Look. You gotta squeeze this one. Look inside. Okay. Now, put it back. These are all mine. All of them. They're all mine. Then I've got this one. You might know this one. It's from Moana. I forgot what its name is. Makes that noise. Then this is my oldest duck. I had this since I was super little. I took it everywhere. I gave it this clothes. It says love. Tie-dye shirt. I love it. 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 Now we have our special character. It is Tong 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 Sahur. A Tong 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 Sahur. Tong 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 Sahur. A Tong 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 Sahur. That's it for today, guys. Tong 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 sahur.